In JavaScript, the array push method adds one or more elements to the end of the array. First, we'll need an array, so let R equals an array with 1, 2, and 3. Let's do R dot push 4. Then let's print that, call out, so console.log that after console.log R after the call to push. If we run this code, you'll see the call to push returns the new length of the array, and that push added the new element to the end of the array. Next, push can be used to add multiple items to the end of the array. So, r.push 4, 5, and 6. We can get rid of printing the call, but we'll still print R. If we run this code, you will see that push added each element individually. Let's try one more thing so you know how it works. If we do r.push an array with 4, 5, and 6, what do you think will happen? Well, if we run the code, you'll see that push adds the array as a single array and not each element individually. There is a way to add each element individually, but that is not the default behavior of push. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.